This is the Philips ProPix 850, a full HD business projector built for meeting rooms, classrooms and professional use. It delivers a native 1920 by 1080 resolution with 4000 ANSI lumens of brightness and a 1600 to 1 contrast ratio. That means you can project screen sizes from 70 inches all the way up to 150 inches, giving you plenty of flexibility depending on your setup. The ProPix 850 uses Philips UHP lamp by Signify, rated for up to 10,000 hours of life in eco mode and 6,000 hours in normal mode. If you compare that to a traditional lamp that normally lasts 1,000 to 5,000 hours if you're lucky, it could save you a few pennies over time. The projector is also only 2.5 kilos, so it's light enough to move between rooms if needed. The unit has a clean white finish with ventilation on both sides. You can see the cooling fan inside, which provides good airflow. While marketed as silent, it does give off a low hum. Though in eco mode, the noise drops further. In most meeting or classroom setups, it's unlikely to be noticeable. The projector has a swivel foot on the bottom near the front for adjusting the angle, along with manual focus and vertical keystone correction up to 40 degrees. You also get controls on top, including zoom, power and volume, alongside status lights. On the back you'll find two HDMI ports, a 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-A power output, as well as an RS232 connector and a Kensington lock. And don't forget the C13 kettle lead power socket. The projector comes with built-in 2-watt speakers, but we found them weaker than a standard laptop speaker. If sound is important to your setup, you'll want to connect external speakers. Brightness is where the projector stands out. Colours are clear and vivid, and even though it's aimed at work environments, it handles movies and casual gaming well. Input lag is noticeable in gaming, even in gaming mode, so it's not ideal for fast-paced titles. Like all projectors, it performs best in darker rooms, as brighter spaces will wash out the image. Still, with up to 150-inch projection, it offers massive display size compared to most monitors or TVs. There are some limitations. There's no autofocus, wireless, Bluetooth or built-in smart features. For most offices or classrooms, that's not a big issue, since the projector will usually stay in one place and manual adjustments only take a few seconds, but if wireless casting is important, you'll need an extra device. This projector is ideal for businesses needing a bright, reliable projector for meetings or conferences. Schools and classrooms will also benefit, looking for durability and long lamp life. And in reality, anyone who's looking for a large projection size on a budget compared to a video wall or a massive TV. The ProPix 850 comes in a plain brown box with white artwork and the key specs on the front. Inside you'll find the projector itself, a remote control, 2 batteries, a power lead and quick start guide. So in conclusion, we have a straightforward business projector focused on delivering brightness, lamp life and flexibility without unnecessary extras. Go to geek4me.com, the easy way to find trusted local tech repair experts near you. Geek4me.com, fast, local and reliable. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.